you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2015 BMW M4 that's sustained front end collision damage. Right now we're examining the engine compartment. As you can see, everything looks pretty square, nothing's pushed back. The vehicle does start and drive. Radius support looks nice. Aprons look good. Strut top looks like it's sitting in place. No real visible signs of frame damage. Back up a little bit. The bumper support is damaged there. You get a lower bracket there that's damaged. The cooler looks good. You're gonna need the radiator in the front. Frame rails look good. Not too bad. Damage looks pretty easy. Let's do a quick walk around. Cooler is good on this side as well. Car does start, it does drive. We are selling it with the salvage title. Let's take a look inside. Nice two-tone interior. All the airbags are good. Back seats. Nice red interior. Carbon fiber trim. Interior is in excellent shape. You got a little bit of wear on the driver's seat. Really nice car. Have the panoramic roof as well. I'm sorry, it's carbon fiber roof, not panoramic. Looked like glass for a second. This is carbon fiber. And a carbon fiber wing as well. Really nice vehicle. Great builder for somebody that's looking for an M4. Be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.